Hello friends, in this drawing tutorial I am drawing a realistic bird using colored pencils. I go through how to draw a kingfisher bird. I am starting with beak. I am using gold and copper color for lighter tone. When you draw a kingfisher bird, the beak is very distinctive and needs a special attention. I am using black color for darkest tone. Leave the bright line in the middle of the beak and try to make the shades on the beak looking as natural as possible. Now I am using lavender, ultramarine blue, Persian blue and cobalt green for layering of beak. Kingfisher has rather huge beak comparing to the bird's body. Such beak needs a little detailed makeup. In throat area, I am using pale orange and yellow color. Now I am coloring on belly of the bird. I am using pale orange and yellow for lightest tone and orange for middle tone. And dark brown for darkest tone. Notice that the feathers on the bird's belly are made by single pencil strokes of different intensity. Some parts are darker orange and some are very light. Please make a special attention when you draw the eye. Notice how close the eye actually is to the beak. It almost touches it. I am using black and dark grey tone for eye and brown tone for layering. Almost every bird has the eye. Here comes a little difficult part, but only a little. The feathers on the kingfisher bird's head and the neck. I am using black color for darkest tone and sky blue color for lightest tone. They are combined with darker spots. These spots are an effect of layer of the feathers. Just blunt light blue color. Mind, however, that you make the pencil strokes in the same direction as the feathers simultaneously. I would recommend it coloring all in the same intensity without pushing the pencil. Layer, layer, layer. This is the key to getting vibrant colors and realistic shading. By layering in shades of ultramarine blue, Persian blue, sky blue, lavender, cobalt green, black and brown, the final result is much more lifelike. I am doing final touch with different colors, as you can see. Dark brown for darkest tone. Thanks for watching my video till end, and if you like my video, so please press like button and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.